Hello and welcome, my dear fellas. We've got an amazing match coming up, and this is the clash between Alistair Overeem and Mark Hunt. I'm pretty much looking forward to it, and I'm hoping for a kickboxing slugfest. This is Overeem, yeah. Alistair Overeem used to be a heavily roided guy. He was extremely muscular, and nowadays Overeem not fighting anymore. But man, Overeem was brutal. High kick for Overeem, and uppercuts, big hooks, and a kick, push kick. Sorry for slight technical issues. Overeem is trying to fly knee, big hooks by Overeem, and knee to the body and the head kick, fly knee, big hooks and the push kick, another push kick. Big knees again, and a high kick for Alistair Overeem. Hunt counters with a spinning back fist. Another flying knee by Alistair Overeem. More hooks and a push kick, light kick by Overeem. Overeem trying to shoot in. Well, not a smart idea. Overeem is a stand-up guy. More punches by Alistair Overeem. And hooks, big punches. It's just a matter of time before he rocks Mark Hunt with his big hooks. And another Superman punch by Overeem. Hunt is ducking nicely. Big hooks again. Knees. And another hook. Short Superman punch by Alistair Overeem. And the head kick. Uppercut. Another head kick. More head kicks. More punches. Overeem drops him. Big kicks and knees. Overeem is foot stomping his opponent. That's it. Great victory for Alistair Overeem. Got to say, these foot stomps were all he wrote, and pretty much easy squeezy demolition by Alistair Overeem. He smoked out his opponent pretty much badly. Great victory by Alistair Overeem.